What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, Manny B Investing MBI, and we've got Nervos' Twitter page up. They posted a video and tweet earlier today. Been pretty busy with a lot of PBX stuff, so bear with me here. We got the PBX live chat video uploading 4K version right now. That'll be sent live here hopefully tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. But let's take a look and see what's going on over at Nervos Network. I posted this video. Let's take a look at it. Start over. Godwoken has arisen. Oh, wait, what was that? What was that? Squid Game down there? Oh, that's cool. They make some pretty cool videos, I'm not gonna lie. I need to holler at them for an intro. Interoperability. NFT seems to be a thing. EVM.
The number you have called is temporarily unavailable. Please try again later.
Now that's cool. Let's see what the people are saying. Oh, Bitcoin. He's talking about Bitcoin. Okay. What does this mean? What is this and what does this mean? Well, okay. Godwoken is live. This is an EVM, which is a Ethereum virtual machine. One of the biggest problems with dApps right now, or DApps, decentralized applications, is that any and everything that exists right now in blockchain technology, as far as decentralized finance or DeFi, it exists on Ethereum mainnet. The biggest problem with Ethereum, that people that actually use Ethereum, I'm not talking about people that are sitting on Facebook holding coins in a wallet or holding coins on Coinbase and just sitting there with it going pump, pump, pump. Like, those are not blockchain users. Those are speculators. They're gambling. But holding Ethereum, I would say, is an investment. But that's not what Ethereum was created for. Ethereum, Vitalik, the foundation, Vitalik, Charles, they did not create Ethereum so that some person could buy a coin and hold it in a wallet. That is not the purpose in the use case for Ethereum. I'm sorry. That's just not what it is. Ethereum is a blockchain network that is used for finance. It's used for decentralized finance. Everything DeFi, I would say about 97% of DeFi lives in Ethereum. The problem with Ethereum is that it does not scale. It has the issue of trilemma: security, decentralization, scalability. Ethereum has decentralization in some, does an okay job with security, but it does not have scale. It doesn't scale. How do you know when something doesn't scale? When you go to move $10 worth of value and you get charged $100 to move $10, that is a big sign that your blockchain doesn't scale. It doesn't suit the needs of the individualized user. It doesn't scale. It works for the big dogs. So Chase, they've got hundreds of millions, they've got billions of dollars. They can afford to pay, $1,000 to move $1 million, but you can't afford to pay $1,000 to move 50, because that doesn't make any sense. You have to pay more than the value being moved to move it on the network, because it doesn't scale down to your specific need. This is where Nervos comes in. Nervos says, hey, we will provide the blockchain and we'll allow you to run a virtual machine on layer 2. So what's that mean? You're an Ethereum developer. You just built a D app on Ethereum and you paid $1 million to develop it because of the fees being so high. So what would you not want to do if you were that developer? Well, if you guessed, you don't want to have to redevelop another app for a different blockchain on Ethereum and pay another $1 million. You're right. That's where Nervos comes in. You use a EVM, an Ethereum virtual machine, on layer 2 on Nervos network, and you use CKB, the knowledge base token. So what happens is you store your app on Nervos, you buy your CKB, because CKB is not just a currency on Nervos, it's actual storage. It's the storage of common knowledge. So common knowledge base. So your scripts, your development, it all goes on layer 2. You can run and develop and you can test using CKB, which is like a penny, 2 pennies right now, instead of 4,000. One Ethereum is $4,000, over $4,000. One CKB is 2 cents. If you're a developer, what would you rather spend to develop your application? Ethereum or CKB? Well, the answer is going to be CKB because it's 2 cents, and CKB allows you to store data. So you can do your development on Nervos. Say you have an application, a DeFi app. For example, let's use Ampere from Flexa. So the AMP token. Let's say AMP goes, man, you know what? Ethereum is just not what we want to stay with because we have investors that may have like, $2,500 worth of tokens, and you're telling me if they want to stake it on Flexa network, they have to do it on ERC20 Ethereum mainnet, and they're gonna have to pay 25% of the value of their stake in fees, and their ROI is going to be moved to 1.5 to 2 years just for one transaction. That doesn't make any sense. Well, what do you want to do? You want to move it to Cardano. You want to move it to Solana or Solara, however you say it. Solara, whatever it's called. You want to move it there. You want to put it on, I don't know, you want to use Litecoin, any other blockchain you want to add that to your compatibility list. So people are like, well, I don't want to buy AMP because I don't want to pay those fees. Now you're not sending investors packing to another project. You can capture that value by offering them choice. Maybe you want to, hey, let's use Polygon or let's use Cardano. I think Cardano is going to be the best alternate DeFi blockchain that's coming. Not financial advice, but it's looking like it's going to be the next big thing. They're building for that, and I think they're going to find success. Say you want to offer that. You want to offer that as an option to offer AMP staking on Cardano. How do you do that? You use Nervos. You sign up for Godwoken. You develop using your EVM. You get it working. You deploy the application. Boom. You saved yourself a ton of money, and now you're capturing more value for your app or your blockchain or whatever it is you've got going on. So they're offering that right now on their test net. It's live, but you have to apply for it. It's open to anyone. So anyone that has an Ethereum app that wants to start looking at developing it for the Nervos network so that it can connect to another blockchain, that green button right there, and then they'll whitelist you. And people are like, well, why is it like a whitelisting thing? Why do you have to apply? Why can't you just use it? Well, they want to work with you and provide you with special resources. So they've got a special Discord set up for it. They've got developers standing by to help you develop, and you'll also be helping them using the network, testing it out. So you'll be breaking things, possibly. They want to be able to see what breaks, how it breaks, and be able to fix that for you and for themselves as well. So that's why it's kind of like a whitelisted rollout right now. So that's what's going on over at Nervos today. Didn't get to do the news live because I was busy with a lot of the PPX stuff, but thank you for checking out the channel. Hopefully this video has some value for you. If it does, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with your friends on Twitter. and we will see you on the next one.